What's up, nail crew? Let's do gel top coating over a dip powder mani. The first thing that I do here, I'm just showing everyone how I really quickly applied a nice glitter mani. I'm using my dip liquids and applying 2 layers of the color The Last Melon from OG Dip Powder. As everyone has seen in my previous videos, whenever I'm doing glitters, I like to lay my nail flat into the glitter. This just gives me a really nice even application for my glitter dips. And so I'm gonna go through, I dip 2 layers on all my nails. As always, I use some kind of nail tool. The one I'm using now is from OG Dip Powder, or an orange wood stick to clean up around my cuticles. So you'll go through your mani as normal, up through activation and buffing, and then you're going to wipe off all of your nails really well with isopropyl alcohol. Then you go in with your first layer of gel base. And this is really important when you're using a gel top coat, because the gel base helps to adhere the gel top coat. And I always go over my entire nail with a gel base as well as the nail tip. This just ensures that you're capping your edges and that your gels won't peel up. Then I dab some isopropyl alcohol onto a slanted eyeshadow brush or a cleanup tool, and I go around all of my cuticles with it to make sure that I don't have any gel on my skin when I cure. So after you do the gel base, you'll want to cure that in your lamp for 30 seconds and then go with your gel top coat. As I did with the gel base, I cover my entire nail and then cap my nail tips, because again, this will also help your gels from peeling up. Once I'm finished applying my gel top coat to all my nails, I will do what I did for my gel base, and I take the angled eyeshadow brush and go around each of my nails with isopropyl alcohol, making sure that I don't have any gel top coat on the outsides of my skin for when I cure. Then you will cure the gel top coat for 60 seconds, and here you guys go, my finished gel top coated mani. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, nail crew.